Hello, I'm Big Brother Rob from Camrod Media. Welcome to The Logical Conclusion is Love. On this channel, we talk about ways to make your life better so that you can make the world better. Because the world is made up of a lot of good people or a lot of lousy people. Today, I want to talk about the stock market. You know, what to do. Right now, when you're looking at making your life better, one of the easiest ways to make your life a little bit better, you can't buy happiness with money, but you can relieve stress, some of your stress, with money, because a lot of stress that people have somehow centers around money, and that goes deep. That's not it's not necessary all the time, but we don't all know that, and it takes time to get to that level of understanding where you can say, okay, you know what, money is not the answer to this problem. But for most of us, honestly, we do need money, because we understand in this world, to function, to take care of your family in a lot of ways, you do need finances. So today, we're going to kind of analyze the situation with the stock market right now, because it is dipping. The first thing you have to understand is you need to invest, right? There's no way you can stand on the sideline with money in the bank account, just sitting there in the savings account. If you didn't know it, your money that's in the bank right now is being invested. Not by you. It's being invested by the bank. So you're not getting anything from it. The bank is going to invest your money. They're going to make some money off of it, and they're going to give you, it's a really low, what's the current interest rate right now? I have to take, oh, wow. So right now, if you're in Texas, where I'm at, and you've got a checking account or a savings account, the all balances, no matter how much money you have in there, the annual percentage yield is 0.01%. 0.01% is what they're paying on interest rates right now. So we have this thing that's called fractional banking. That's what our banks do. They use a fractional system. So basically, if they have $1 million, they only have to keep a certain fraction of that, sometimes 10%, maybe less, $100,000 of actual cash in the bank. The rest of it, digitized and put out there in the market, making money. So they got your money. They got your 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, however much you have. They got in the account, and it's sitting there, but they take it out of there, and they've got it out there making money, and you're not getting any part of that. So what you need to do is knuckle up and get into the game. Knuckle up and get into the game. It's easier to do now than ever. We've got multiple ways to get into stocks and buy stocks and cryptocurrency and all that stuff, and it's no fees. So it's like, it used to be, I remember when I first started trading stocks, when I wanted to buy some stocks, I might want to buy $1,000 worth of stocks, or even $100 worth of stocks. Every trade cost me $9. So if I want to buy $100 worth of stocks, it costs me $109. Now it's free. You want to buy $100 worth of stocks, you're getting $100 worth of stocks. So I mean, in today's world, and there's two. I'll give you two links in the description below if you don't believe me. We're basically going to give you free money. Okay, I'll give you my link to WeBull and my link to RobinHood. Okay, use those links to sign up if you don't have an account already. Use those links to sign up, just so we can get started on this journey. What it's going to do is going to give you, once you fund these accounts, so you put $100 in there, it's your money, $100. You don't have to invest it in the stock market. You can just put it in the account. Let it sit there. They're going to give you free stocks. Value that, some of them could be, I think, up to $500 or whatever. But they won't, most likely they won't be. Don't go thinking, I'm going to put $100 in to get a $500 stock. They're going to give you a stock. It might be a $10 stock, anywhere from $10 to $100 or $500 or something like that. So I'm going to put the links in the description below. Just go down there and click them. Join up. $100 will get you free stocks. What can you do with these stocks? You can hold them. So if you get $20 worth of stocks, hold those $20 worth of stocks. You've got $120 in there. Now you're in the stock market and you see what's going on. You start learning about it with me, and I'll teach you some different things, so you'll be a part of the game and you'll understand how to make more money return than 0.01% that I'm looking at over here. Ooh, that's scary. Another thing you can do, if you don't want to do that, you just want to get the stocks and hold them, or you just want to sell them back, you can get your $20 worth of stocks and sell them and get $120 worth of stock, and then pull all the money out of the account. Pull it all out. You just made $20 for free. which is way more than 0.01% on your investment or on your money. So if you don't have an account with WeBull or RobinHood, because I've got two of them that I'm going to put down there, and we'll talk about the differences between the two in future videos as we get more into the financial parts of these videos. The logical conclusion of love is more like a lifestyle. It's not necessarily financial, but I can talk about finances because I do have my MBA, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I've got good common sense with finances, and I can help you out to make sure you're getting into a better situation too. I also have good common sense with business, so we'll talk a little bit about jobs and maybe business ownership and different things like that. This channel is going to be basically about making your life better. So it can't just all be finances if it's talking about making your life better, right? There's got to be some spirituality in there. Got to be some relationships in there. So we'll talk about some other things too. So if you're interested in those type of things, some fitness, maybe some health, anything to improve your life. I like to talk about technology. I have another channel for that. Camrod Media. I'll put a link in the description to that eventually once I finish getting that built up. But I'm trying to do a couple different channels at once. But for right now, we're going to get started with the stock thing. Please, I'm telling you, WeBull is a really good app. RobinHood is a really good app. It's free to trade stocks on both of them. Okay, $100 in each, you'll get free stocks by putting $100 in both of them. Okay, so please like and subscribe. We'll talk about a lot more. Get ready to grow with this channel as we go with this channel. We're looking to make the world a better place. And remember, the logical conclusion is love. It's always love.